this video today, we're talking about yield farming, okay? DeFi, everything Web3, and I'm going to explain it all to you after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's get in with the video. So if you're here and you're new to yield farming, okay, I'm going to start off with the article at WorldCoin to give you the definition. Yield farming is an investment practice that involves locking crypto in a DApp. That's a decentralized application for token rewards. Yield farmers deposit their tokens into DeFi applications for crypto trading, lending, and borrowing. So since these investors enhance the liquidity in their chosen DApp, they are actually referred to as liquidity providers. Now, if you're looking for a yield farming platform, you can see some of the best ones in 2023, Coinbase, Nexo, Crypto.com, Yearn Finance, Beefy Finance. Let's have a look at Nexo, okay? You can go through these yourself and do your own research. Just want to show you what it looks like getting involved with the yield farming platform. Now, on Nexo, for example, you can just join and get instant rewards on there. But if you want to get into the yield farming side, okay, you can earn daily compound interest, okay? You can borrow against your crypto of 0% APR, swap between 500 plus market pays, and it's completely licensed and ready to go. Guys, this is why 5 million plus people are trusting in this one platform. Imagine how many are trusting in all these different platforms that I just showed you, right? And the best ones, Coinbase, Crypto.com, Yearn Finance, and Beefy Finance. It's all because you can earn money doing this. But how does it actually work? When someone starts crypto yield farming, they're depositing their tokens to a DeFi protocol. Once the yield farmer's funds are in a smart contract, they'll actually be available to anyone using the DApp. So for example, if someone added crypto to a liquidity pool on Decentralized exchange, crypto traders can actually buy and sell their tokens. Web3 users can borrow crypto and yield farmer deposits into the lending site like Aave. People choose to give their crypto to DeFi platforms because they can expect return. Crypto.com is very, very good for this. Let me show you. I actually use Crypto.com a lot, and I actually have a card for them. And with that card, I have to stake crypto to get it. Let me show you it. This is one of the cards you can get, and you have to stake crypto to get that, okay? Now, they have their own decentralized apps on there that you can use, and you can also yield it through that way. And once you've done it, you can earn rewards as you're moving through the process of using that platform, of selling your crypto, of using the card, using the dApps, whatever it is. So Crypto.com is a fantastic one. Again, do your own research, but it just shows you how vast the platforms are. There's so many out there that can help you do this. Now, to participate in it, all you have to do is click on one of them, all right? Do your own research, get involved with them. Most of the activity in yield farming is on Ethereum, so high quality Ethereum wallets like MetaMask are suitable for most of the yield farming decentralized apps. Now, talking about Pulse X, okay, it's actually a fantastic mainnet that could launch at any time. There won't be another warning. You could try out it right now. This is a very similar decentralized app to Uniswap, okay? It's designed to increase in value. It's the most liquid exchange on Pulse Coin. Pulse Coin's exchange, so it actually enables you to exchange tokens on there for one another. It's the world's largest yield farm. So every time people swap from one coin to another, the liquidity providers earn fees as a reward. Users can actually bridge in their ERC20s and pair them with free PRC20s in order to provide liquidity and earn. There you have it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.